Do you want to start trading on PU Prime but not sure how to deposit funds? In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to deposit money into your PU Prime account step by step with no mistake. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you will be able to fund your account in just a few minutes. I will also share a few pro tips to help you avoid delays and make sure your deposit reflects quickly. So let's dive in. Step 1 is logging into your PU Prime dashboard. Immediately access your dashboard. The next thing you need to do is click on Funds. As you can see here, click on Funds. So once you click on Funds, you allow it to load. Once it loads up, the next place that will come up is where you see amount, this particular place. Go ahead and input the amount you want to deposit. Let's say, for instance, you're depositing $500. So if you're doing $500, you need to type 50,000 cents. So 50,000 cents is equivalent to $500. So once you are done with that, you go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so in order for you to know the exact amount you need to deposit in cents, let's say for instance you are doing $100. Okay, so if you're doing $100, just multiply it by 100. That will give you 10,000. So if you're doing $500 multiplied by 100, it will give you 50,000. Okay, so that is how to know how much in cents you're depositing. So now we will be using the crypto to deposit. So what you need to do is you select your BEP20, which is this, then you click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, allow it to load. So after loading, it gives you the next thing to give you the address where which you will deposit to. This is your address. Okay, this one is your address. So all you need to do is you click on it, copy your address, then you head over to your exchange. So once you get to your exchange, what you need to do is you click on send, or in some cases you will see withdraw. So remember, we are moving money out from our exchange to our broker account. So you click on send, then you click on on-chain withdrawal, then you select USDT. Then in this particular place where you have address, you paste the address which you've copied earlier. You select your network, which is BEP20, the very first one you're seeing here, this one. Okay, BEP20. Then you write the amount. Now in this place you write $500 because remember what we're sending is 500. Okay, so you write $500, then you click on withdraw. Okay, so then at that point you now fill up all the necessary your 2FA, your password, in order for this money to be able to go out. And then once it goes out, it goes directly to your exchange, it goes directly to your broker account. Then the moment you send it to your broker account, just go back to your PU Prime page, then click on submit, and that is it. So in most cases, after sending, you need to go back to your broker account and click on submit. All right. So, but if you happen to go to your broker account and the submit button is no longer there, because if it's usually refresh if you stay long out of that page, don't worry. All you need to do is just logging back into your account or refresh your account to see your money right in your account. Okay, so that is it. So you can also go to MT5 to confirm your.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.